nice out right now. It's like 70-ish. Well, maybe not yet. Later it's supposed to get warmer. Can I do it? Haven't hit this yet this year. Gets the blood flowing. I'll save that one for later. Whew. Oh, how I've missed this so much. The winters are so long. Rop, 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 rop. Buddy, what are you gonna do? That's right, you're scared. You are scared! What's up? Jump this beast. Woo! A little bit crooked. This track's so tight, you gotta be like perfect. I mean, it definitely could be harder, but you gotta be lined up for everything because it's just so narrow. Gonna kill me, dog. Gonna kill me. Ugh. Or I'm gonna kill you. That'd be more realistic. Here we go. Oh, lost it. Try and pull that into a wheelie. I'm only in first gear. Doesn't help. Second gear. Let's try this. Wasn't bad. Was not bad. It's crazy trying to adjust to the heat when it's been cold for so long. I feel a lot better in the summer. Everything hurts way more in the winter. Oh, overshot. That one hurt. I got the exhaust fixed though. Had some broken welds on it. Welded that back up. Oh, I'm getting tired. want to make sure it's still doing good. I think I'm going to switch over to the bike real quick. Oh. Grip strength. Okay, I'm going to switch over to the bike.